Hi there! Andy is going to show you everything you need to know to get started with your new SO4 scooter by SoFlow. Open the box and carefully remove the scooter and accessories. You should have the following: the SO4 e-scooter, handlebars, tool, rear light, connection screws, license plate, bell, charger, and manuals. Make sure you read the manuals, and if you're in Germany, please read the German EKFV certification document, which will explain what you need to legally ride on German streets. Open the small gate on the down tube hook and pull sideways to release the hook from the fender. Pull the down tube until locked into position and then close the cover. To attach the handlebar, first connect the power cable to the bar, then place the head into the down tube. Firmly attach with 2 screws using a 4mm Allen key to secure the head into the down tube. Next, connect the brake cable. Fix the end of the cable into the slot of the brake lever and slide the cable to the front of the lever. If the cable has been adjusted too tight and it cannot slide over to the front of the lever, then the brake mechanism needs to be adjusted. Loosen the pinch bolt at the clamp of the brake mechanism with a 5mm Allen key. Loosen the cable and then slide over the cable to the end of the brake lever. Tighten the brake cable and then tighten the pinch bolt at the clamp. While tightening the brake cable, make sure when the brake is fully discharged, you have a 1-inch gap between the handlebars and the brake lever. To fold your SO4, pull up on the safety lever of the foldable system and then push the lever down into the unlocked position. The hook will then be released. Fold the down tube towards the footboard and then lock the hook to the fender hook. To power on your SO4, hold the power button down for 1 second. You will see a display light up which will show you the gear you are in and the mileage. This will also turn on the throttle and the lights. There are 2 brake levers. The right lever activates the front wheel disc brake and the left lever activates the rear wheel disc brake. Tap the power button quickly to turn the front light on and off. Now ring the bell a few times to wake up the neighbors and start your day. You're done and ready to hit the streets on your new SO4 scooter by SoFlow.